Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our Jaguar XF. It's a Polaris white 3-litre diesel. It's a premium luxury. It's an automatic. It's a 2014, latter half of 2014 registered 64 plate. So it's 3-litre diesel, automatic, stop-start, premium luxury. As you can see, it has front park sensors, daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, Pirelli P0 tyres all round, Barley leather interior with the truffle dashboard and door cappings, electric seats. The driver's seat is electric with a memory. Both front seats are heated and chilled. Now this car has covered 73,000 miles with a full service history, last serviced at 69,000 miles. As you can see, satellite navigation, button down there for the heated and chilled front seats. Has Bluetooth, DAB digital radio, reverse camera, Meridian Hi-Fi. So big spec car in absolutely beautiful condition, 73,000 miles full service history. The great news is that the service history is by Jaguar, 7 services all by Jaguar, and the key selling point is that the last service, 69,000 miles, had the cam belt replaced at the main dealer. Has Jaguar fitted boot liner, and underneath there, it's a bit difficult to see, but it does have the alloy space saver spare wheel and the jack wheel brace and toolkit. Comes with 2 keys. Really beautiful example this, great colour scheme, got some nice little extras like the fitted mud flaps. Wheels are all in great shape, not curbed or corroded. Meridian Hi-Fi, electric windows, there's the memories for the electric driver's seat. 73,596 miles. Seven Jaguar services. Had the cam belt done at 69,000 miles by Jaguar. There's the reverse camera. Menu, audio, DAB radio, Bluetooth, navigation, heated and chilled seats. In fact, this seat is currently ice cold, the driver's seat. So, beautiful example. Got your connectivity in there, auxiliary and USB. Lovely 3-litre Jaguar XF Premium Luxury Auto. Priced at £10,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs which we have in stock, or visit our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Insta, or please go to YouTube, find the Barclay Motor Company YouTube channel where this video and all of our car videos are hosted. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company, you'll be the first to get a little notification each time we upload fresh stock. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.